Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the cap material and selecting a compatible dye. This matters because synthetic blends need different chemistry. Once done, remove sweatband and any plastic inserts. Make sure to protect seams and logos with tape or wax. You'll set up a well-ventilated area, line a basin with plastic, and pre-wash the cap without fabric softener. Mix dye per instructions, but slightly more concentrated for bold color. This brief prep prevents bleeding and ensures even uptake. You'll wet the cap evenly so fibers accept dye uniformly. Wring to damp, not dripping. Then choose submersion for solid coverage or use a spray bottle and brushes to create gradients. Apply from light to dark, building layers. Once applied, rotate the cap and redistribute dye to avoid pools. Make sure to use gloves and avoid touching dyed spots. If the dye calls for a fixative like soda ash or heat setting, follow the timing precisely to lock in color. You finish by rinsing the cap under cool water until it runs clear. Then wash gently with a mild detergent and let it air dry on a form or balled towel to maintain shape. Once dry, reinstall any brim inserts and reshape with steam if needed. Make sure to avoid high heat that can set unwanted creases. If color is uneven, you can carefully redye sections. If mistakes occur, use a color remover on a small area. Test first to prevent fabric damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.